What? Nah, 74. No chance. Nah. I'm not having it anymore. How can I be the same as Hughesy and Chris Richards? Nah.
He's not happy.
Nah.
Not today, please don't just ignore, please, because I'm relying on you for content. Who has Rob got? Who you got, Rob?
Edward.
Oh, big dog. Big dog.
Who?
Jeez.
Oof! Oof! No, Hughesy, I've got one for you, mate.
Silver.
Chris, look at the pace on it.
That is so disrespectful. I don't even want to say what it is.
Do you want to see it?
Your pace is shocking.
Oh no, what am I going to do?
Chris, who's you got?
A 4-piece. Joel, Mark,
Hendo.
and Ebbs.
Oh, that's a good pack, yeah.
That's alright, you know.
Strong pack.
It's okay.
There you go, mate. Look at that, eh?
Sexy, huh?
Sexy.
Yes.
71 pace is crazy.
He's got it.
This time I got slower. Me and Jordan got the same shooting.
No way.
I got 27.
Who you got?
No, see the names.
75, no comment.
Got the names.
Kalani, 74, no comment. Jack Well Morrison, 57. We have time, so it's good. Ebere
Is he 74? It's a bit too much, no?
66.
Where is he?
Good.
Disgrace.
Have you found yours yet, Jordan?
Nah, not yet.
Have a look in another pack. It might be in there.
You think? Oh! There you go. You knew I was there. And they gave me 74. Nah, I can't be like Hughesy. I knew it. I said it. Nah, this is wrong.
Same pack.
What? Nah, 74. No chance. Nah. I'm not having it anymore. How can I be the same as Hughesy and Chris Richards? Nah.
He's not happy.
Nah, I'm not having it. I'm not having it.
Here you are. 69 passing.
Nah. Pass now. Pass maybe 75.
Dribbling 75. Jez, take a pack, open it up.
Got myself.
Yourself?
Yeah,
Happy?
yeah. Nah, it's good. Big upgrade from last year.
That's
Speed 55 off the line.
yeah, it's pretty slow. Yeah, do you know what? I've actually, if you put technical ability on there, he's probably like a 90.
Yeah.
But yeah, pace is probably fair, I would imagine.
Oh, that's ridiculous, man. That's it. Nah, that's it.
Just take that to him, put it in his locker.
Yeah, I'll say that.
There you go, big man.
Thank you, man.
Happy?
Well, happy with the card.
He's gone up by 1 last year.
Still trash, innit? Do you agree?
I think there could be attributes higher.
What do you think could be better?
Passing's a liberty.
Go on, what else?
Pace,
You want faster than that?
shooting, physical.
Let's look at my dribbling.
Yeah, that could also be improved.
So you're saying the whole card could be...
The whole card should be improved, yeah.
Sounds about right.
You gonna open it with gloves on, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, Whitworth. Oh, there we are.
Oh,
There we are.
64?
Let's look at one on there, innit? That's not a bad pack, that, is it?
You'll take that.
Can I keep that or not?
5-side team, you play up top.
I'd definitely put Joe in goal. Probably Tyreek, I'd have on the bench, and then Mikey and me.